Oh yeah, it's another beautiful Friday afternoon right here on 88, of course, ABS TV. And today we've got something very important to talk about. I'm sure you're doing very close to me. I'm doing very jiggy, as you can see. I'm doing very cool. How are you doing today? Anyway, I'm Lord Lesaf from the highest echelon of the British Empire. And today we've got some new faces today, so I'm so elated to be here with them because I've got some pretty ladies. I'm so excited to see them. I'm sure you're also very excited to see them today. Yes, because of the topic of discussion today, we have two beautiful ladies from Yoruba and Hausa. Okay, so they're here to represent their should I say husbands or whomever they are, but I think they are wives to the particular guy or guys that are absent today, talking about the Yoruba and Hausa. So today, of course, we still have our regular right here in the studio talking about the Igbo guy, Mazi Adelgu. So let's get to meet them today. Hi, Adelgu, welcome to the program, The Assembly. Adelgu. Are you carried away by the beautiful ladies? I'm sure in the midst of ladies you seem blessed. What's Nkasi?
Blessed.
Oh, that's great. Yeah, that's great. That's great.
You want me to introduce myself?
As usual, you know the whole sequence.
You people already know, but for the sake of the formality, let me Afambo, Mazi, Udugu, Mwajaka, 1. What am I money with? 2. Ujimoto Mogo. 3. The only man that could have from the main load to his follow and back to the main load. 4. The man with the direct license to import all importable imported.
5.
You want to more?
It's okay, I'm okay.
Yeah,
what?
You the char.
Sure.
Yeah, are you sure? Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I'm okay. Like, I'm perfect. Okay. I don't know, but welcome to the program, though. I'm so happy to have you today. But even though I was expecting your wife today, not even you, so I'm surprised to see you here.
I know I told you my wife will come, but you know that woman, my case, so
what's that?
She can be very stubborn sometimes. So there is somebody that is owing me money. So I sent her to go and collect the money. The man has refused to pay me for my goods. So I said that the woman I am also he must pay me my money.
Okay, so she's on a mission right now.
Yeah.
To recover your.
That woman guess that also.
Oh, that was something nice though.
It is a talent.
Okay, that's great. I wouldn't know. I don't even know your name though. But welcome to the program, The Assembly. Nice to meet you. How is Olanai? Olaniyi, yeah. How is he?
Chief Olaniyi.
Okay, how is he today?
He's doing very great.
Okay, let's get to meet you then.
Okay. Ẹ̀yin tèmi lé o. Orúkọ mi ni Àánúolúwapọ̀, aka Ìyá Ọlọ́jà of Igbaland, Olaniyi. Yes, èmi hun.
What should I address you as?
Àánúolúwapọ̀.
Anu?
Well, it's not Àánúolúwapọ̀.
Oluwapo. Okay, welcome to the program.
Yeah, aka Iyaloja.
Okay, I should also call you Iyaloja.
Yeah, aka Iyaloja.
Okay, Oluwapo, aka Iyaloja.
Then Olaniyi.
It's okay, I'm okay with these. Come on, your names are so distracting. And welcome to the program, The Assembly. Hi, you've been dressing yourself for so long. You seem very, very calm. How are you today?
Me, I am fine. Thank you for asking.
You're welcome. So let's get to meet you then. Nice to meet you though. You look beautiful though.
Nagode. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Sunana Hajiya Rukayya Abdulatif.
Hey, tomorrow.
Ni mai gidana Emir of Kano.
What? You're an emir of Kano?
No, mai gidana ne. My husband is the Emir of Kano.
Oh, that's great. That's great. So what should I call you? The wife to the emir of Kano or what?
No, Hajiya yayi. Just call me Hajiya.
Hajiya
Rukayya.
Okay, Hajiya Rukya. Oh, I like the name.
Rukayya.
Is it Eya? I think I hear Eya a lot right here. They say. Okay, Hajiya Rukya. Welcome to the program, The Assembly. Feels great to see you all today. Okay, how is your husband? He's doing very well today.
Well, he's actually doing very fine. He's actually attending to the matters of the state. You know, as the Emir of Kano, he has so many things to actually do with his time.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Anyway, nice to meet you. Okay, welcome to the program, The Assembly. Hope you are feeling very fine today.
I'm doing very fine.
I can see that. All right. So we have the usual sequence right here, is that we say the national anthem. Okay. So, Mazi Adelgu, you've been here, so I think you should know how best to go about it.
I see that I am the only man.
Yes, Maurice, why should you do that?
Let me dedicate it to the ladies. So, ladies, you sing the national anthem.
Okay, are we good now? All right, let's turn.
Let them sing it.
Okay, all right. So, national anthem.
Okay.
So, which of you is going
So,
to sing?
So, yes, how are we going to do this thing?
Who sang it? Who sang it?
Nigeria's father to Sababa fatherland with Roman strength and faith. The labor of our heroes past shall never be in vain. To service that our life, one age of bounding freedom, peace and unity. You people have lovely voices.
Oh, yeah, that's great. That's great. Okay, let me first of all say Happy Mother's Day, because come Sunday, of course, many Catholic churches and, of course, various other churches will be celebrating Mother's Day. I don't know, but in Nigeria they call it Mothering Sunday, or is it Murdering Sunday? I don't know. I wonder how you get to murder your mother on a Sunday. I wouldn't know. But today, let's talk about something that's very important. Before then, personally, I don't know, I've given my wife over there in the UK a very special gift. I gave her very expensive and, of course, exotic flowers, and I'm sure she's enjoying wherever she is right now. So let's get to know how our various people representing other categories, or let me say constituencies, gave or celebrated their Mother's Day. Before then, today, we're talking about something that's very important. Yes, I got to know that right here in Nigeria, and I've also witnessed in Nigeria, even my few days right here, or weeks right now in Nigeria, I've witnessed that the women have been marginalized. I wouldn't know why, but it's so terrible. Like, they are treated as animals, as the case may be, and it's something that is very important that we discuss right here in the program. So today, we're talking about culture and gender inequality in Nigeria. Is a very, very important topic. So we'll get to hear from the people right here representing the various tribes in Nigeria. Then you out there viewing us will get to contribute by calling numbers showing on your screen. But before then, let's get to know how they celebrated their Mother's Day, because, I don't know, women, they are very special. And I'm sure right here in Nigeria, mothers are given a great reverence, though they are being marginalized. As I said, I sent very beautiful, of course, gigantic flowers to my beautiful wife. Oh, I love her so much, over there in UK, and she's actually enjoying it, I believe, because that's something she fancies a lot. So I wouldn't have you sent some flowers to your wife, Mazi Odogu?
Flower.
Yeah, like flowers.
Yeah,
What's that? Is that what you call it in your language?
bush. I should carry bush and send them.
No, not that. Beautiful flowers.
We operate differently in this part of the world.
Oh, how do you guys do it?
How can you cut bush in the bush and you give it to your wife from other side?
She appreciates that a lot.
Yeah, sorry. We are in Nigeria. Now, and if you come to my consistency about my wife, the judge I bought her last week.
Like, what judge?
Last year, Mother's Day. Yes, the judge I bought her last Mother's Day is still sound, so she will wear it this Mother's Day.
No, it can't be. Like, there should be something new. Because, of course, we celebrate Mother's Day every year, so...
My wife come.
Your wife, yeah.
I bought her judge last year. Let her wear it this year.
What's that?
Is she your wife?
She's not, but I just...
You buy your own flower.
I have this empathy for her. I'm sure she's expecting something nice from you. Why are you being so...
Don't give my wife empathy. I'm giving her judge. You want to give her empathy. I'm giving her judge.
Oh, that's terrible, though. Okay. All right, well, that's, by the way, Hachia, Rukia. I love your name, Rukia.
No,
Sounds nice. Yeah, how did your husband celebrate Mother's Day for you? Or how is he going to celebrate for you?
Gaskiya mai gidana, well, he is actually going to take us out for a very, very nice dinner. I know what my husband is capable of.
Yeah.
He's going to take us out. After that outing, say mu shiga daki, then we will go to the other room.
Are you speaking English? What?
I think I understand her.
That is my husband.
But I don't...
My husband, he wants to drag my husband with
It's okay. You mentioned the... Okay, he's going to take you out to...
Yeah, we are going to...
Yeah, I think I heard
in
the
our
other room.
Nachi, he's going to take me out on a dinner date. We are
Okay.
going to go to a very nice restaurant.
Wow, very romantic.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, my husband is a very romantic man, especially in the other room. My husband is very, very active. I know that I'm very mushroom.
I don't know though, but I think that other room is not really what I think it is. But that's by the way. Your name is so difficult. Remind me again.
Anu Oluwapo.
Oluwapo.
Anu Oluwapo.
Anu Oluwapo. Okay, so how has your husband celebrated the Women's Day for you, or how does he plan celebrating that for you?
Chief Olaniyi.
Yeah, right.
Trust my husband.
Okay.
He bought me a car. Apart from that, oh,
That's great.
outside that, oh,
Yeah.
we have a Shelby.
What's that?
We have a Shelby. You know, clothes, Ankara, we are going to be giving people for party.
Okay, that's
Enough
great.
one day for people.
Oh, I think I hear of that Owambi. What's that again?
Yeah, one day that if your head is correct,
Yeah.
that is where you belong. And it's not like all these people, they don't do
So
one
you
day.
can say it's just a wife that's not really enjoying. See what they're enjoying from their
They
husbands.
cannot pull your legs. I was joking. I bought my wife a brand new second-hand Mercedes.
Second
A
hand.
brand new second-hand Mercedes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Anyway.
this is the lucky. I'm very champions.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Onuro.
I wouldn't know. Okay, but
He's a
honestly,
liar.
I think that's great. It's great to know that you all are really trying to treat your wives,
Yes.
something somewhat nicely, I would say. That's cool. But let's tackle the issue on this course today, talking about culture and gender inequality in Nigeria. It's so depressing when I get to see your stories that women are feeling so marginalized. They are being denied opportunities from various aspects in life, be it in the cultural aspect, the political aspect, economic aspect, and every other thing. So I want to really know how this is being seen in your culture, that is in your constituency, and how we could try and at least curb such inordinances in Nigeria today. I think I want to start with you because you're the man right here, so it's good we hear from you first, even though you may try to be a little bit apprehensive, but that is all the same. We want to hear from you. How has it been in your Ibel constituency? How has it been?
When it comes to the issue of culture and gender disequality,
Inequality.
when it comes to that subject, I don't think my people have a problem with that. I think you should be looking at the Western constituency and the Northern constituency. This one, their brothers they used to marry 10 wives. This one, they marry even at 13.
I think you're not pointing fingers. Let's start with your constituency,
My
okay?
my constituency, the issue of...
I wish I had your wife here. I think you're lying to me or something.
She went to Bogwai.
Yeah, you said that, but come on. It seems you're not telling me the truth.
Her phone.
What?
Should I call her on the phone?
It's not necessary. I need to have presence.
Collect this money from somebody that is owing me. Nah, the way you are dragging my wife, is she your wife?
Kudi. Money. Dukansu. Come.
What's that?
La ilaha illallah.
Kuli, wagi.
Da Allah ka answer the question he actually
Exactly,
asked you.
please.
Answer
I
the
want to know
question.
how is it in your Igbo tradition? How does it relate to?
When it comes to this issue of our people say, "See wolo to chube woji."
I wish I could know what that means.
It means start. No. I
You can't swear for me, man. You can't do that.
Don't mind her.
Oh yeah.
It means now. Start in the early morning to find a goat that is black, a black goat.
Me one no kuma. Why are we finding a black coat kuma? Ina.
We look at
I think that's a proverb or something.
it's a proverb, yes.
Yeah, exactly.
Don't mind. She doesn't understand. So if you start early to chase a black goat,
Yeah.
it means you will find it. You can't see a black goat in the night.
So how does it relate to the gender inequality in your
The
tradition?
issue of gender inequality is an issue that we should have started since the title.
Okay.
You understand? But when I look at it, we women complaining. I think these women, sometimes I don't understand them. Sometimes some of them are saying they want to be men. Sometimes they say they don't want to be men. They want to do what men are doing.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
So me, I am even confused when it comes to the subject of discussment.
I think you're begging the question.
And I am begging you something.
You're begging the question. You don't want to answer the question. You're being evasive right here.
But
I'll come back to you though.
Yeah.
I think you have some stuff to say about that. Okay, now talk to me from a personal experience. And of course, your women over there in the Northern constituency. How do they experience the whole gender inequality? And of course, how it relates to the culture of the Hausers?
To, ya za a yi The only problem we usually face in the north is the fact that they do not allow us really go to school. They just make us go to our husband's house at a very, very early age. But no. Our husbands actually take very, very, very good care of us. But just they don't really allow us go to school and the marriage thing. That is the only thing. Kuma, they do not allow us. They do not allow us come out to do political things. Come out all the social events. They don't really allow us to come out. Kuma, Abang is not really making us happy. That is why I'm even here today, so that we can actually tackle this.
That's great. That's great. I love your sincerity. Okay, now, so why don't they allow you to come out for such, movements? Why are you so much? Why are you particular about your?
No, we are always covering ourselves. We do not expose anything. We are always covering for our husband. This whole thing is for our Megida Kawe. Megida Kawe.
It's okay. It's okay. Just go ahead.
Good. What did you even ask me?
Oh my God. I mean, like, how does the whole thing relate to your tradition? You talked about you not being allowed to go to school. So why don't they allow you to go for education and other things?
I do not even know the problem, where we are too. We are not even worthy. We just
you can't say you're not worthy.
But that is why I'm actually here. So that I don't even know why. Because we are women.
Chief Lassif, Abi.
Who's that?
You.
Oh no, that's Lord Lassif.
Oh, Lord Lassif.
Lassif.
You are meant for the other room. You are still correcting me.
It's okay. All right, Lord Lassif. You want to say something about your tradition and, of course, how it relates to such gender inequality in Nigeria?
Let me talk. When Yoloja is talking, small children don't talk.
Why small children? Are you talking to me?
Look at the other room.
Look at just mature small.
Your head is there. So you see, in my own place where I come from.
That's Yoruba constituency, right?
Yes,
okay.
Yoruba constituency.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
You see, there's equal rights for the man and the woman. The best place to be is in Yoruba land. Lord Lassif, you are musing a lot. The best place to be. Bring your wife, come to Yoruba land.
Can I come to Nigeria? I can try that. I can try that. Just go ahead.
That is why you are buying flowers. You are buying leaves for your wife.
When it comes to this issue of inequality, I will have to say something. Ima mbe wakabido lebido na our side historically.
Okay.
Everything was done physically.
Okay.
Onye ka wike, boya na ebi eva na ebi yotago. The one that is most strong, they give him what they give him.
Okay.
So my people then historically it was about aga or what your people call war.
War.
So onyega conquers here putazie when they conquers and come back they became ubuago or all those titles. You understand? So then the men were seen as the stronger creatures. Okay. So when they realized that physically men are strong, which sometimes the biology says so, because of also hormones and something, physical strength. Okay. Now, they give the men the more opportunities because the men are strong. You understand? Now, the women who they think they are not strong, they send them to go and do lighter things, like
You mean physical strength, right?
Physical strength.
I know that women could be strong from other aspects.
Yeah. So now, when they realize that men are doing more physical things, like this one, that one, they give the men the more titles and opportunities. Okay. So some people have not let go of that mentality up till now. So they still see the men as the stronger ones. It affects us sometimes, but you will not blame us. History has the better part of us. But it's not like we are not open to change. But in the meantime, I'm telling you why it is like what it is now. You understand? So some men, even up till now, will not allow their daughters to do what their sons are doing. What
could that mean?
Women must cook. In some families, it is like that. The boys are fetching water or doing something heavier. The girls are doing something lighter, like cooking, sweeping. In fact, in some families, even the girls do the fetching water. The boys do something more physical.
Okay.
So he realized that they've isolated the men from the women in terms of attacks, which sometimes it is not their fault.
All right.
Because even biological nature give the men different hormones from the women.
said that before.
Yeah, so that is the origin of gender inequality.
So yeah, maybe the whole thing to history.
No, I'm not blaming history. I'm saying history started it.
Okay, before we go about, let's get to hear from our viewer out there, okay? Call the numbers showing right now on your screen. Call the numbers and get to contribute on the whole issue of culture and gender inequality in either the Hausa land, Yoruba land, and of course, Igbo land. You can call and speak any of the language we have, Hausa, Igbo, and Yoruba. And of course, you can also speak with me. You can speak English with me as well, so that'll be great. So just call and contribute on the topic, talking about culture and gender inequality. Call the number showing on your screen right now. We'll get to hear from you, okay? Oh my God, so difficult. Oluwapo, okay, Oluwapo. I'm okay with Oluwapo, okay? I want to know, I think you evaded the question. Are you trying to be protective or something about your area? Just tell us the truth, okay? Now, listen, we are here to tackle issues, okay? Tell us the real truth on how it happens in your constituency, talking about Yoruba constituency, all right? That'll be great, okay? Meanwhile, I think we have a caller right here. Hi, good afternoon to you. Oh, we lost that. Oh, go ahead. I wouldn't know. I didn't hear his voice, though, or her voice. So go ahead.
So, you see, in my place, in Yoruba constituency, I still tell you we are the best.
I don't. Okay. It's good that you're good, but tell us the challenges you all face. Are you saying that all women out there are being represented? They don't have any issue with inequality or something? I don't know. Talk to us. Be sincere with yourself, okay? It's going to really help you.
Say, Oyibo, you want to bring out this?
No, I'm right here to solve the issues.
Anambra is asking why, if you go to the Yoruba constituency, the men are mostly the Agboros. Why then is no women?
No, I don't know.
You say you are hearing him now. You see what we are saying?
When did you excuse me? I think I have a caller right here. Hi, good afternoon to you. Hello? Can someone hear me? All right, just move ahead. Go ahead.
You see, Omo is looking for trouble. How would you say our people, our men are the Agbero or what?
Okay, I said
we
that
are not.
we are
not Agberos. No. See, I will still take my stand on this issue. My place is the best. We are the best. I don't know what they have to say.
Me, I been the kiki.
I don't know.
Or me, our place is actually the best because our mental is very, very well. Very well.
Okay, now is your place the best as well? Because they're all claiming they have best places.
We have more than enough money that we can.
You see, so come on, we can't all be here and say that our places are the best. Of course, we know that you all are good. All right. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello.
Hi, what's up? Hi. Hello. All right, can you hear me?
Hello.
Hi, what's up? How are you today? Oh, we have issues once again with the network. All right, now let's get to be more realistic, okay? Let's try and tackle the issues, because if we try and be evading all the questions being asked, there won't be any justice done to this topic, okay? So we all are good, okay? You're the best, and you are the best as well. But we're here to point out those things that could make you better than maybe the best, all right? So let's get to hear, what are those marginalizations that you women face in the Yoruba kingdom? It's important we know that, okay? Yes. Because I'm very certain that there's something like that. So please go ahead.
You know,
I understand that you may be scared of your husband or something, but don't worry. I think I would explain to him. He has to understand, okay?
Will you go home with me?
I don't need to go home with you to explain to him. He's my friend. Olanai is my friend, okay? So don't be scared, all right? Give me some time, though. Hi, good afternoon. Hello?
Good afternoon.
Yeah, that's what's up. How are you?
Good afternoon.
Can you hear me? Could you speak up a bit, all right? So we could hear you better.
Yes, I'm hearing you.
But please speak up a bit. I can hear you, but try and speak up a bit, okay? Like raise your voice, all right? Can you hear me? I think
Hausa.
Okay, what's your name first? What's your name?
Mark.
Your name is what? Now, could you please, I think he wants to speak Hausa. Ask him to please speak up. Ask him to speak up.
Lafiya kalau mun gode Allah, to me kana so yanzu me tambayan ka?
No, na so gaishe ki ne da ina kalle ki, ina jin dadin maganan ki.
Oh, na gode da kyar.
To sannu
fa.
To Na san kin fi su magana ai.
Ka ce?
Hey.
Could you ask him to speak up? It's important he does. Ask him in your language to speak up.
Na ce kin fi su magana ina jin daɗi.
Kana ji daɗi na? Ba na jin ka fa.
Na ce ba?
Eh.
Ina jin daɗin maganan.
Kana jin daɗin magana na to na gode.
Hey.
Sanu, bye-bye.
To shi kenan sai an jima.
Oh, bye-bye.
To bye-bye.
You said bye? But I didn't even get... I think I was battling to hear him.
Well, he was actually saying he was just calling to greet me.
Oh my God. We
Yeah,
couldn't have allowed him.
That he likes to talk. I'm talking here. Ka gani ko?
Was it what he said?
So, culture and gender
Yes.
inequality.
Wai yana ji daɗi
What's the name of
magana
that?
na. Wai yana ji
Can you see
daɗi
the problem we're
magana
having?
na.
You see, that's why I
Yana
prefer
jin daɗi
having
magana
guys
na.
right here in the
That
studio
my
because
talk is
if
actually
you have ladies...
fleeting him. That my talk is
Very
fleeting
soon
him.
you'll be waiting for her outside.
No, you can try that. Hi, good afternoon. Okay, so please, okay, I know we have, hey, it's okay, let me talk something that's important. You know we have ladies right here in the studio, okay? They're both beautiful, I know that, but they're married, right? They're married. So just try and call and contribute on the matter, talking about culture and gender inequality, not just trying to, woo the ladies, okay? They're married. Their husbands are dangerous. Please, take note of that. All right, so let me have this caller right here. Hello, good afternoon. Okay, all right, now let's still talk about the whole thing. I must get your point today. I think you are scared of whatever you're scared of the unknown, but please, tell us.
Why
how...
would she be afraid?
Allow us if to talk to
Kawai forming party, Owambe, I mean, I came out here. That is the only thing they know how to do. Look at her, look at
Onyata, I did not leave my job to come and listen to two people chatting.
I knew that this is going to be having ladies right here in the studio, but I think I'm enjoying it though.
Kawai
They're adding flair to the program, you know.
It's
okay. Calm down. It's okay. You seem very vociferous. Hi, good afternoon.
Hello?
Yeah, hello. How are you? Yeah, what's your name? Oh, too bad. Okay, now I must get your point now. I think I'm going to suspend the calling for now. What are the challenges of women, or rather the women are facing in the Yoruba community, all right? Tell us about that. Don't be scared, okay?
Oscar.
Okay.
Chibolali is,
Okay.
no.
Okay. So tell us.
So I'm not scared though, but you see my place. There's one day I was going out. Okay. And it's my money, and I was working with Chief Onali's boy. Okay. And I came out from the mall. And the guy, before I entered the mall, and I parked, the boy that was helping me to park my car, I told him thank you and I entered the mall. When I was coming out, I brought that money from my purse and I gave to the boy. Do you know what the boy said? He now turned and looked at Chief Olani's boy and said thank you. Why would he say thank you and I gave him money?
There was a misconception somewhere. Are you saying that he doesn't see you as being human enough?
Emi Omo.
What's that?
I don't know.
Oh, okay, too bad. So you're saying that they get to see you all as irrelevant, like insignificant or something?
Koyemi o, Lord Lasif, Koyemi. I was surprised. I was like, but I gave him money. But how come he's telling him thank you? My own boy, thank you.
Anyway, but you should have just looked over that. It's not a big deal, It's not a big deal.
You're asking for gender inequality, and they gave you gender inequality, and you're saying they should overlook it. Okay, we don't know
no, rara.
The problem is another thing you will look at is the issue of marriage.
Okay.
In some tribes, the man has to pay a lot before he marries a woman. Only spend it almost 3 million on no one. No chawan, if you're not saying gender equality. Oh yeah, feel alone or what yeah.
He's a Igbo.
Wait. See that John. What I'm trying to say is this: if you spend up to 3 million naira,
okay,
marrying one wife, or better still, acquiring one woman.
Why
will you not think that woman is a good? This is not justifying those who think that. What I am trying to explain is this.
Wait.
A woman is a good.
A woman is a good.
A woman is a good.
You understand English, Abi?
I think you didn't mean good. I think I understand what you mean though.
Good.
It's a metaphorical statement. It's a metaphorical statement, okay? Okay.
Now, what I'm trying to say is this.
Why?
Malu. Let us
Did you just provoke them?
Good.
Okay, I think let's go for a very short break, okay? I think we're having some rancor right now. I don't know, you seem so angry. Or...
It's
okay, all right. So today, something happened, and it's it has been trending since this week, where a particular lady, flogged, I think she's a friend to a woman that, slept with a particular man. I don't know, it's a very complicated issue, but the story trended, and the videos were everywhere. This lady had to flog this woman mercilessly. I think they were three. They flogged the woman mercilessly, and even had to upload the video on internet for people to see. I had to watch that video. Very gruesome. It's very gruesome, okay? And I think right now they have been arrested. And I'm saying, assuming these were guys or men, this wouldn't happen. It wouldn't happen. So I didn't really get the whole gist. I think it happened in Anambra. What is your constituency? Please tell me how the whole thing happened.
Let me explain something. Even if it's in my constituency, we are not talking about the constituency today.
Exactly your constituency.
Let me explain something.
What's that?
What I'm trying to explain is this. This is the second time in less than about 2 months. Because when my son told me that video, I was very disappointed.
What?
I was on the blast.
You did not watch this. Your son that showed you.
He told it to me.
You are what?
I was on the blast. Why will a woman dehumanize?
Dehumanize.
Yes. Why will she dehumanize?
Okay, go ahead.
Dehumanize her fellow woman. Then the equality can work with. Now, sleeping with anybody's husband is not right. Now you have to anger and beat the woman. And then you now upload the video of the naked woman.
Yeah, it's terrible. It's atavistic.
On the social
media, yeah.
Yeah. I think we should ask the ladies here.
Why are you
telling me? It is very good.
Let me tell you. Number one is that woman that beats that one, I think she's eyeing that man. I think she's eyeing that man. She
has eye problem?
No, no, Igbo. She wants to do what that woman did. She wants to do it. So it's not paining her that she's the one that is supposed to be in the position.
You are saying that when a woman is pained, she will pain her fellow woman.
I do not agree to this talk. I do not agree.
No, but is she supposed to beat the man? She knows she doesn't have power to beat the man. She has to beat the person that she has power to overcome.
Since that she cannot actually beat her husband, you cannot beat our husband because he's the head of the home.
It's not that what we are saying, no.
Now we have to go and meet the other women and beat her at Chuboro Ubunta. You beat them. That is what you call a true friend. Kagare, that is what you call a true friend. Those are the kind of
now that she's in prison, where is the true friendship there?
She's sacrificing herself for being the prison for her friends.
I think I'm confused right here. Are they supporting that was a nice gesture or what?
Yes.
Lord Latif.
Thank you, Lesif. All right. But all the same, Adelgo, I wouldn't know. I think it's not necessary. It wasn't necessary for the lady to have beaten.
Let me explain something to you.
Yeah.
You are from America or UK?
But sure, just call the number showing right here on your screen and participate, okay? We are still talking about gender inequality and, of course, in relation to culture. So just call the number showing on your screen and we'll get to pick up your calls and contribute in this matter. Very important. Okay, go ahead, Adelgo.
You are from UK or America. It is totally wrong to hit somebody, your wife, your friend, your daughter, anybody, because you.
Okay. Hi. Hi.
Hello.
How are you? Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah. Gloria, where are you calling from, Gloria?
I'm from Onitsha.
Onitsha, that's a commercial city, I got to know. Okay, so you want to speak Igbo, Hausa, or Yoruba, or maybe you just want to speak with me?
Yeah, I'm from the Igbo constituency.
Okay, you want to speak, which of the languages do you want to speak?
Sir?
Which, sir? Okay, okay. You want to speak Igbo or Yoruba or Hausa?
I'm speaking English.
That's great. So how are you today? Hope you've eaten something this afternoon.
Yes, I'm fine.
That's great.
The
Okay.
issue of the gender inequality and the whole stuff.
Yeah.
According to the Igbos, the way they do take the thing, once a man gets married to an Igbo lady,
Okay.
the man is in control of everything, and the lady will just, they assume the position is in the house, bearing children and taking care of the house responsibilities, which is not normal. Okay. And the whole thing is disturbing. And they say it's a man's world. The man's world, then men are allowed to do whatever they like, which includes cheating, maltreating their wives, which is not proper. They won't allow the lady to see and to express herself in terms of political aspects and other, and socially, which is not proper. So it needs to be corrected in Nigeria especially.
Okay. Okay, now what do you think could be the solutions to that?
For Igbos, especially getting married women. If the Igbos will reduce sometimes in terms of the price of the bride price, the stuff included makes the man who won't allow the woman to be free to do anything.
Okay, now listen to me, Gloria. Can you hear me? Gloria, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, now what are the solutions to the problems you just preferred right now? Okay, what are the solutions to them?
The Igbos, the father should reduce the bride price of the lady.
Oh, okay.
So when the lady gets married, you can have time, as in, the husband can allow her to express herself.
Okay, now can I ask you a question?
I'm listening.
How much do they pay in your village as a bride price?
They don't pay any specific amount.
Oh.
The items.
Okay, now I see.
The items are just much.
Okay.
This lady is well informed.
Okay, that's
she's,
great.
She's
that's
well
great, that's
informed.
great. Okay, anyway, thanks for participating, okay? Have a nice day, Gloria, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
You see that is the same thing that I said. Hold on. She said, let me explain it.
We got what she said.
Yes. Now she's saying that if you reduce the bride price,
Yeah.
it will give women more freedom.
Okay.
I mean, if you attend Igbo weddings, why bride price? Some people don't correct bride price, but there's what they call bride list.
Excuse me. Hi, what's up?
I'm fine.
Yeah, what's the name?
The partner the party is from UK.
What's your name again?
The party is from UK.
What did he say?
Yeah, I heard a topic.
Okay.
And I want to say a word for the topic.
Okay, you want to speak Igbo, Hausa, or Yoruba?
In English.
Oh, English, that's great. So go ahead.
Yes. Yes, like I'm an Igbo, like in my culture.
Okay.
There's one thing that I didn't like. Is like when person die, our people used to do burial ceremony. I want if in Igbo culture, if they can change it, like we are all Nigeria.
Yeah, of course.
Let us do like Hausa people do. It will be more benefit for our audience, not only me particularly.
Okay.
You understand?
All right. Okay, so what's your name again? What's your name again? Sorry, I didn't get that right. What's your name?
Patino the party is from UK.
This name seems difficult. Okay.
Patino the party.
Okay, Pachinyo the Portuguese or something, I don't know. But I think he mentioned how the Hausas get to do your burial. What's he trying to insinuate there?
You people will keep a dead body in the mortuary for 10 months. Say you people will kill cows. Say you people will eat rice. Me, the person is already dead. You people will spend money, scrape the woman's head. How about that, Allah? Abba is not even necessary.
So how do you
in our place?
Yeah, you like talk though.
If the man dies right now, she can attach.
Excuse me. Hi, good afternoon. Okay. Hello, good afternoon.
Excuse me. Hi, good afternoon.
I can hear myself there. Oh, too bad. Hello, good afternoon. Hello, can you hear me? Is anyone there? Speak up a bit, okay? Are you there? Oh, too bad.
Are you there?
Yeah, hello.
Hello?
Hi, how are you?
Hello?
What's up? Can you hear me?
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Hello?
Too bad. Hello, good afternoon. Can you hear me now? Okay, speak up a bit, okay, so we can hear you better. Okay, now talk to your people that should tune down the volume of that TV set, okay, before they call. All right? I don't know, say it in your languages, briefly.
Ya Allah, ku rage volume ɗin kaɗan. In za ku kira, kun ji ko? Ku rage volume ɗin.
Okay.
Anambra ne watanata volume onu nyonyo gave fe pai o kai no fi na ku.
Yeah, hi, good afternoon.
Hello.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
That's great. That's great. So what's the name? Your eyes too noisy though.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, what's the name? What's the name? Could you please? Oh no, we can't go with that. We can't go with that. Hello, good afternoon. Hi. Oh, too bad. Hello, can you hear me? Okay, I gotta let you go right now. So please, okay, I think from language, tell them to tune it down, okay?
ẹ̀yin tèmi ń lé ìyá alájẹ ìyá ọlọ́jà ló ń bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ ẹjọ́ tó bá ti ń pè lórí aago kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ gbé kíní tẹ́ fi ń pè kábà lè gbọ́n yín dáadáa ni.
That's taking so long. Just a simple question, something you say. Hi, good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, what's up?
Good afternoon.
What's the name?
Hello.
What is the name?
Chidima from Oka.
Chidima from Oka. You want to speak Igbo, Hausa, or Yoruba? Are you still there with us? Okay, you want to speak with me? Then go ahead. Talk about gender inequality in relation to your culture right here in Oka. Are you still there? Oh, okay, no, too bad. We can't continue with that. All right, now let's talk about how to prefer solutions to such gender inequality, okay? Let's start with you, Odogu, okay? Before then, let's pick this last call, or one of the last calls. Hi, good afternoon. Hello? Go ahead.
You heard the lady that called area. She was saying something about bride price. Okay. The implication of spending, some people don't charge bride price. Mano, we are not bride list. And when you get a bride list, you might not see yourself 2 years into that marriage. So what it implies is some people spend millions getting married.
To get married, right?
Now,
so when they get married, now own the woman.
Yeah, when
That's
they get
terrible.
married, it's difficult to explain to that person that this woman is not your property.
Yeah, right.
You understand? So she is, what I stand with her is, see reduce katana this bride list. Okay. You understand? Man and woman both here, let them get married and be happy.
All right.
That is my own solution.
Okay. Let's pick one call before we go to you. Hi, good afternoon.
Hello.
Hi, what's up? That's better. What's the name?
Good afternoon.
What's the name?
Good afternoon.
What's the name?
Akachukwu.
Akachuku. Where are you calling from?
From Udi.
Udi. Okay, you want to speak Igbo, Hausa, or Yoruba?
No, Igbo.
Igbo, go ahead. It's your sister.
Ada keme.
Ademma.
Ngwan kọwake na ihe gbasa gender inequality ka o si eme gị n'arụ. Kọwake na.
Unemde.
Ise gịnị?
Unemde.
Nna erigokwa nni.
What you saying?
Ịmakwa ihe bụ gender inequality? Kọwake na ihe ọta.
One is
You see she's calling with her mother's phone.
Hello.
Okay, too bad.
sure.
Hello, good afternoon.
Hello.
Okay, could you speak up a bit? What's your name? All right, now let's go. Okay, you've preferred that the whole issue boils down to the bride price list, okay? That it should be reduced or something.
And one suggestion is, ndị be anyị nwoke na nwaanyị bụ ofu ihe. Ịmụta nwa nwaanyị ma nwa nwoke. See never the same opportunities.
All right.
Opportunity,
right?
Yeah,
like equal opportunity.
Yeah, you are right.
That's great. Okay. Go ahead. What could be the solution to it? It seems that you're in your constituency talking about Yoruba. You guys don't really face what the other people are facing.
Civilization starts from us.
Oh, yeah, that's true. Oh,
yes,
okay,
thank you. Civilization starts from us. We now give it to these people. Okay. Then these people now pass it to them.
Oh, what a
then they are now talking from cow. They refuse to learn.
Okay, it's okay. Don't now throw passes. Okay, just go ahead. Now, what could be the solutions to such, inequality in gender in your? Okay, try to use more of your Yoruba language, okay, and speak to others as regards the solution to that.
Okay, èmi kò feel pé tẹ́ bá ti ń kọ́ àwọn ọmọkùnrin tẹ́ ń kọ́ àwọn ọmọbìnrin bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń kọ́ àwọn ọmọkùnrin ni bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa kọ́ àwọn ọmọbìnrin kò ṣe pé tẹ́ bá ti bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń kọ́ àwọn ọmọkùnrin ẹ nítorí pé eléyìí obìnrin lélẹ́yìí ẹ ní fi kọ́ kó dá bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn Koda, ayé ò lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn dédé.
Okay, I wish I understood that, but that's
I
cool.
know.
Let's get to hear you. I think you chill. Before then, I think the houses are really, even though you claim to be like everything is fine, but I think because I got to know that when Malam Dagogo was here, he said that you people, you know, you don't go to school, or rather go to school and they keep you at home as housewives.
So is that
Are you okay with that?
we're not really okay with the thing, but yes, we are in our husband's house. We have to respect them.
Okay.
Yes, we are wives. We
Okay.
are meant to submit.
All right, now,
If
okay.
he says we should not go,
Yeah.
like I was saying, listen, I feel that they should actually let us start working in
Okay,
different
now
offices.
talk to them on the solution and use your dialects, okay? Talking about the houser.
Zan ce mai gidanmu a bar mu fara aiki in mun je makaranta kar mu zama a gida kawai mu fita mu yi abin da mun yi a makaranta kun ji ko da Allah da annabi ku ban mu yi aiki ku ban mu shiga office mu dinga aiki haba da Allah to shikenan
Okay, that's great. I think I like your Thor. What does it mean?
to ni ban sani ba fa
What does Thor mean?
to ne ai to
Oh, okay.
shikenan,
All right.
to.
I think it's been great having you ladies in particular in today's program. I really enjoyed it. You know, you all added flair to the whole thing, and you all tried to, you know, portray how the whole women have been marginalized in your constituencies. Okay, it's nice to meet you. All right. Great to have you once again, Malam. Yeah, I think I'm used to it. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, right. That's great. Ladies, I wouldn't know. Do you take handshake or something?
No. Call me. You don't call it. We do not touch other men. I don't want my husband to actually shout at me tonight because we're going to the other room today. I do not want. Today is my turn.
It's okay.
Today is my turn. I don't want him to be angry.
It's okay. It's okay. Nice to have you all here today. Okay, and I'm sure you all did justice to the topic of discussion. All right. Nice to have you there, of course, our esteemed viewer. I'm sure you enjoyed today's edition of the Assembly. Just go out there and try to portray equality, okay? Try to bring up equity in terms of how you relate to your women and, of course, how women relate to men as well. Don't forget, a repeat of this program comes on Monday at 2 p.m. Until then, I am Lord Lezef from the highest echelon of the British Empire. Until next Friday when we're here live with the other men in the studio. Bye.